Okay, I'm back. With water. Or I should actually take a sip right now. And I just finished the display. Meanwhile, I tried to get rid of this disgusting reverb, which is actually recorded by the microphone, and I may have increased the volume of the recording a little bit. Well, whatever. I may be able to increase that when I do a proper video instead of this. But yeah, my goal is, in this video, to build some kind of CPU which actually is able to control this display in some manner. So the question is, what type of CPU should I build? Actually, there's kind of an easy pattern to go for. Like, I can say, I need an ALU. ALUs are simple, I can easily build one. I will do that. And there's stuff like program counter. Program counters are a little bit, yeah, it's you can easily build one, but you have to decide which design to choose. Even worse is actually the register file, because that's where you store like all the stuff, the data. That's what I showed you over there, that one. And the question is which design to choose there, because I'm likely not. I don't want to use this design. It's like super cheap. Like, it's so easy to build, and yeah, that's why actually I need some different design for that. But I'm unsure which, and yeah, most like beginners actually write kind of easy stuff. I don't know, right? What do they build actually? I think they don't have registers at all. They just put repeater logs for A and B there, so it's just register A and B, and that's kind of cheap. I want to have a register file at least, but I don't know which style to use it actually, because I need something like dual read and register files. Nah, it's actually quite simple if you go forward. If you go forward, you can easily do that. But I'm gonna do too wide. Will I? Will I say to make 8-bit? At least 5, but 8 is better. So, yeah. What to choose actually? I'm unsure. Well, for starters, let's build an ALU. I can't think of stuff meanwhile anyway then. Oh no, not gonna use that color. Are you kidding me? There we go. We got some colors. So I think I go for a simple ICA ALU. That means I need some form of like basic ICA. Nothing special, because I totally am not in the mood to make something incredible. So yeah. This is kind of a super basic ALU, which everyone can probably build as beginner. Yeah, the point is that this thing, like, the problem with this is that there's super many ways to make this properly, and I just use the medical way. I always use it. It's like, it's super easy to just do this, and like, you know, this way. And like, it's I see, it just looks like this, and so yeah. Thing is, actually, I don't know how exactly this is done. I'm just gonna guess how to put this stuff together, and normally that works out. So yeah, actually, no, let's not use that few colors. That's no good. We should actually use plenty of colors in the builds, because then it's easy to see what's going on and which belongs where, and what belongs where. And not, like, this also needs a different color, because it's and it needs a different color for reasons. So like this, basically. What we're gonna put there is such a thing, which is basically an torch, right? It's called torch. We're gonna put a torch there, so this is a pretty basic design where the end goes down and the end will actually power the next bits. What is this called? Carry line, and yeah. So at this point we're gonna put something like this here, and that's I need some new color. Yeah, that actually fits. I'm gonna put this here, and my feet itches, so I have to somehow do something against it. So there we go. So this would actually be the second X, or point is with this is I need to okay. Whoops. There we go. I need to put something like this here, and yeah, this is actually kind of a problem because, you know, getting this signal over me. So okay, what do we got here? We got okay, yeah, okay, I see. Let's just copy this one once, and I need my vent, and I'm gonna shrink this once and stack it once. There we go. And what I need to do is actually fix this one here, like for example so. That's one way to do it. It's actually not the most pretty way, but it actually works, I hope. Because budding is a huge issue with this, and it makes a huge difference if you have it like on this height, or on this height, or on this height, because of Minecraft. So yeah. Next step, we take this one, shrink once, and stack it 3 times. There we go. So this would be 8-bit. Easy, cheap, done. But will it work? Because the thing is, you got something like carry in. Carry in this case looks like this. The problem is, if you have a dot here, it will also put this torch, and it's not supposed to. So what we do is we put like this here, get as a hook. Hooks are nice because they can't be toggled, and just place it here, and then it got disconnected, which means this torch here won't be affected, which is perfect. Yeah, at this point we got all the torches set here, right? They're all here. So when I, for example, go here and say, I want to enable every one of these with just one of these blocks. Testing is important. If you don't test your stuff, it will fail. So like this, and then the carry line is completely exposed, and if we put this here, and we can see that it reaches perfectly up to this point. Yeah, let's just use blue again. And there we go. Voila. Carry line output done. The problem is this here. It's kind of not connected, and not connected is kind of bad. So it actually needs to power this repeater for aesthetic reasons. It's not as if I could just go here and say, yay. Okay, I can. Cool, let's do it this way. But will the first carry reach it? So we just put this here, and we're gonna leave this here. This one is actually on, and these are not. Let me see, what have I done here? This, both are enabled, means this consumes the bit which goes in, and for it's here, but also powers onto this line, which is, it's not. Why isn't it? Why is this off, actually? Because these are off, this has to be on, isn't it? Oh, it's not because of this. Okay, well, this is kind of disturbing. Okay, this is... Wait, what? Can you stop being derped? Okay, I get it. Okay, let's keep none of this. This is actually bad design, a very bad design. But only because of this. What I could do is I can just move this up once. Possible. But then we may have an issue with other stuff. It perfectly works like this, and we should get this signal here. And whenever one of these is connected and that one gets powered, it won't hit the torch. But if I do this, there may be an issue, like if I have this set up that this won't reach till the end, which is perfectly the case. But no buts, this is a problem because this here only goes to the top and not to the bottom, so we actually need that extra piece. But how to put that actually to work without obstructing this torch here, this never had been an issue for me, weird. So what could I do to make this pretty? Point is, this has to be done. Flies in my room. And I could, for example, I can't. I also can't. Okay, this is really tricky. I can, however, do this. Like, put a torch, not torch, this book here, and put a torch over here, and then wire this up in the most disgusting way. To actually get this working. Okay, this is disgusting. Obviously, it's disgusting. I mean, like, look at this. I don't want to do this, no. I don't want. I'll just put it down here, and get it down here, and then connect it to this. OMG, this is kind of disgusting. Okay, this is the most worst ISA I ever built. Because just of this reason, you know. The question is, how did I do that else? Oh, I have like a bunch of ISAs which I built in the past, but I haven't been building a too wide ISA in a while. So I'm just gonna look it up what actually failed. Does it contain pistons? No. Does this contain pistons? This contains pistons, but it's not 4 wide. And this contains pistons. Okay, this one. So I have been doing that here. Carrying power is on this side. Here again it powers like this. But oh, it's the output side. Damn it. We got the red line here, which is actually it goes to, oh, it's next to the piston. But if I believe this is right, actually that good idea. Yeah. I'm not quite sure that's okay. I think that doesn't work with my current setup. And by the way, this is what bats. If you put the piston like here, it will totally bat. So that is kind of nonsense to do that, and because you cannot put a slab here because there's a torch below, so don't do that. Just a recommendation from me, but then you don't have this issue. So do I have a different design? This is also that design, right? Okay, that's the same. Cool, I have redundant stuff here. Oh wait, I got it again. So 3 times. Counter up. What's this? Has no pistons, it's irrelevant. I got some ALU below here, and I think it's also using that ICA. And some CPU down here, it's also using that. I'm very sure. Why did nobody tell me that what I've been doing here is total rubbish? So, let's just say that one is working, but is it actually okay if I, like, for example, have this weird way of doing it? I mean, like, could I just put it like here? I can, right? I can. So, let's give it a try. Maybe it's possible. It doesn't really matter. So, yeah. So what we have to do is we put this next to it, next to this here. Oh, we're gonna put this here. Oh, this looks disgusting, but it's okay. The point is, if I put a torch here now, that will power the green block above, which will then destroy the XOR. So that is not a good choice. On the other hand, if this is off and that torch is on, that means that this one here is powered for sure, so this torch is off anyway. So this, okay, let me think about this. But the problem is that's for this one and not for that one. For these two digits, that's a bit of difference. So in that case, I cannot power like that. I have to put this disgusting way which I had before here. Okay, then let's use the disgusting way, which was to put the torch over here and make some very, very, very ugly whatever here. I mean, it's working, it's not an SS issue, it's actually totally fine, so nothing to complain about, right? So, well, we still need this for reasons which are, which are these reasons. There we go. So now that is actually fixed, so we got our carry over here again. And on the other hand, if I go and power this, that carry should be on. So we should get power over here. It's actually the case, we got power over here, you see it's on. We should also get a carry out over here. Great! So yeah, that is actually working. So this is actually an ICA header. Finished, built in a bunch of seconds, and it's okay, it's a really common design. It's like the most easy design of ICA to write probably out there. What's next? The point is, we need gates and stuff. Gates and stuff had the issue that it's really nasty to put two NOT gates in front. Like, I tend to prefer to use that kind of design here. For XOR inversion, I used to make a bigger one and several different ones. You can also use pistons, but they are too high for this now, because you need to put the two gates on top of each other. You actually want to try to not get it as high as it might be. So this one's actually not as high, so it's quite nice for this. Except that it's long, so meh. God bless the comparator XOR. It's also the fastest. Also we need flat carry and OR mode. OR mode is rather simple because we just have to power this wire here, and we can also do that on the level below. So let's do that first. We get a block for it. Really, this color? Okay. Oh, damn it. And go all the way over here, and then we just put every other here. And then we need some of these here, and maybe that, not that, that actually. Bum, 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 bum. So there we go. That is actually OR mode, fast and easy. Am I right? Yes, we are right, because if I power this one, it also will power this torch, and this torch is permanently off, so it's an OR gate. Ba-bam! So bitwise operation or mode. Also disables all the outputs to the carry line, so perfect. So this one does the job perfectly for OR mode. Half at a scratch that. Let's go OR. The problem is we also need a flood carry. So for flood carry there's several attempts to do that. One easy way would to actually just power here these blue blocks down here. But there are probably better ways to do this. Probably. I hope so. I don't like this. I want to put this one like so. Oh, I can't because of that. Damn it. So yeah. It's kind of tricky where to put the flood carry in here. Flood carry basically means that all these torches are off, and yeah, I'm really doomed because this is totally in my way. Okay, there's one really disgusting way of doing it. I'm gonna use this color again, and that is we actually go from below. But it's the most reliable one. I know it will work, and I'm not gonna do any experiments here because it just gotta work. And what we do is really simple. Oh, I forgot one. We're just gonna power like this. Not like this, like this. Okay, and we're just gonna fix this. This is really a pain in the ass. Really. This is really disgusting. In so many ways. You're like, ah, this is so... Why? Why is it doing this to me? This is annoying. Really. I need to power the phone here, but I can't because I cannot get the wire down here, and because of that wire. And why? I could go down here and then all the way here, but that's disgusting, so I don't want to. And I cannot go there because then this one powers it. How about this one? I could probably go from here. But is there a torch? No, there's no torch. So I can go like this. Boom, and go like this. There we go. I think that should do the job. This is much more nice. It's still kind of horrible, but it's much more nice than whatever it was before. And it's not in disturbance with this one. Yay! So I can actually also power these here all from this side. We're gonna do it the same way as the other one because reasons. And there we go, flood carry. Almost done. It's currently flooding, so so I know this is not working, so let's just try this. Is it working or is it one off? Obviously it's one off. It's always one off. Minecraft is designed to be a one-off. No, you don't. Oh, come on. Why is life this annoying to me today? So there we go. So okay, that's flood carry. It's disabled now, so this should do its job again. There we go. Yeah. nice ICA in like 0.5 seconds. No issue, no bug, no lag, everything, it's perfect. Oh, actually we literally had no lag while building this, so that's actually good. Right, server says yes to whatever question. Okay, the next step is actually, the only missing thing is the 2 inverters in the beginning in the start of it, so I need some nice colors for them. I said nice color. That's okay. Who placed that here? But I cannot put it one layer below because then it's intercepting with that one. Sigh. Okay. We got space, we got plenty of space. I mean, like, even we were going for a noob CPU, right? Okay, so it's really, we got space. Why am I doing this? I got worded it. Can my CPU like stop making these? Thank you. Okay, it's not working. Yeah, okay, got it. Well, I hope so. Let me hope that I'm not recording this with 60 FPS. Because it only got 30. Not that the server even cares that I lowered the setting. What am I actually doing? This is horrible. Oh, someone removed my brain. Excuse me, it must be the time. Yeah, that looks like it's working. There we go. NAND gate, XNOR. Okay, XNOR. In probably 1 to I. So we're just gonna try to fit one above and see if it's working. Right. So the point is, I actually had to put one above like this. And that's way too high. So I can lower this one by 1. The queen is not amused or something. Good, there's no queen here. Give me the almighty tool. So there we go. I moved it below once. Now I can go here and just grab this one. What am I doing? We could have command for that. Much faster anyway. Oops. Move. So there we go. So this is kind of a lot better, because I can just like connect this up like this and yay, done. Still, as I said earlier, 2 inverters or 2 XOR gate or XNOR gates in this case on top of each other is not a pretty sight. This is actually pretty, oh no, really disgusting. So yeah, I cannot recommend to Here's something as ugly as this, but actually we can make it a little bit smaller by just moving this down once. Oh, actually that is not working. Damn it. Damn it. Okay, then we can't. Okay. So at this point we got we got inversion. We got all the stuff we need here. We don't need division, so we're not gonna add shift down into this. Wait, I'm doing line draw. Maybe I need shift down. Who knows? Oh no, I don't want to add. I'm already tired out. I know why I'm not building CPUs that much, and this is just the editor. I already have headache. Might be the time. Who knows? There we go. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 2. So, but the thing is, this is kind of inefficient because we have like, oh, great job. Because we have like this torch here everywhere, so it's kind of stupid, but I don't want to fix that right now, so I'm just gonna use this block and like put it here all the way, and in between I'm just gonna put these to not let the torches touch that. Then it's just time to put that stuff on top. And that actually has to be inverted for a signal to be off here at this point, because this is XNOR. Depending on whatever signal I feed into this, who knows. And this one and this one, these are separated enough, so I'm just gonna do the same over here. Alright. Yes, I forgot. Oh, it actually has to be like this. Who dried my throat? I don't like him, whoever did that. SS1. Aesthetic. So there we go. I probably won't be able to finish this today, and if I don't finish this today, I'm never gonna finish it because lazy. So I have to finish it today. So we got 2 inputs in this ALU, and that's the point where stuff gets really nasty. Because at this point we need a register file, and I don't know which. Look at that beauty over there. It's already finished. It's just waiting for me to use it. But it's the most easy type of CPU you can do so. I mean, like, this type is like so easy. It feels like cheating because everyone can do it. It's I don't know. This one can put like a register here and register file here, and then one is A and the other one is B, and you always store into both. then you can just select which one to use for the top and which one to use for the bottom. That's totally valid, but kind of ugly. So a dual read register file is actually really nice if you know how to make one. But too wide? I think I tried that. It's kind of difficult. If I haven't failed completely. But yeah. It's begging me to be built here. Isn't it? Or do I just copy paste? No, I'm gonna build a CPU. I'm not gonna copy paste the CPU. Well, but this is practically copy pasting because I know that design in and out. I will totally fail it. Yeah, wait. Someone actually placed a plot right next to mine? Why? Why are you doing this to me? Oh, that was me. Yeah, I'm gonna remove it later on. It's a copy I made for bug testing, but I believe we never gonna fix that bug, so yeah, who cares. It just freezes the server for a bunch of seconds. Not gonna happen that often. Starting backups, let's do backups all together. You noticed everything is whoosh. It's whoosh server. I totally think so. Clear, clear, clear. There we go. Okay, we got a clear mind now. It's time to continue. And because I am lazy as heck, I just gonna use that design over there because it's the most easiest. So it's the most easiest design, and I'm just gonna use it because of using terms and policies. We need a color. I said we need a color. We need a color. Give me ruler concrete, but not that shit. Okay, the random of this thing is horrible. Are you kidding me? Okay, okay. You convinced me. I'm gonna open my inventory. I'm gonna pick a color myself. Oh, well, this is difficult. Yellow. Okay, that's decided. It's gonna be yellow. So the point is, I need something like this, but with the distance of this. Oh, by the way, there's something called immediate. Do we need that? Damn yes. And how to inject immediate with this type CPU? This type of CPU? Well, one can insert it over here in the output, one can just dump it on top of here. There's plenty of ways to insert immediate. It depends on where the instruction set actually lives. It's also possible to just inject it on top of the register file where the write section is, so I don't know. I built like a CPU in the learning area, and it was a really quite simple one. Let me just show that. It's actually the same design as this one in more crappy. Okay, I shrinked the chunk range, so this is kind of tough. Because I don't know where to go to. Maybe that direction. Or that direction. That direction looks good. Oh, now I just have to follow this, and there it is. So basically the point is, you can use immediate and just dump it in here like this. Then will be dump it in the B line. Actually this is a ripple carrier, so I've been using ripple carrier for this small CPU. And this is basically what we're gonna do. We have, oh, this is also 4 wide. Ugh, nasty. A 4 wide register file. Wow, nice, with bats. Okay, cool. Anyway, let's not. This is, I mean, it's simple, but we got much better design, so let's just use it. The point of the nice thing about like shifting when having 4 white is this, and like 4 white is super amazing, except that signal strength tells you fuck off. Yeah, so this is kind of like really easy stuff here, and decoders and thing. Yeah, it's like the same thing which we're gonna build in like less this, because it's gonna be 8-bit, but somehow it's gonna look the same. Like there's instruction set, and it just needs more instructions for displaying stuff. Like it needs instructions in general for displaying stuff. Oh. Wait, I said we have a problem with actually reading from this, from the register file, because we need to send X and Y to the display somehow. Oh, I know how to do that. So this is kind of, we're gonna use something called I/O, but yes, and that is when okay, yeah, I was just thinking for a second. One can just add a bit into the instruction set which tells the CPU that the next output of the ALU gonna be a value for the display. So you just send it to the display to X or Y, depending on which you want. And when you do that, like you can, the problem with that is that you have either you have to say I always send X first and then I send Y, or you have to say I specifically also want to write in this instruction. But you know what, just adding 1, 2, 3 bits for that, nice, and the 4th one for reset, so it's actually 4 bits for display control. Cheap. Yeah, so I said we need one of these things called yeah, how's it called? Register file, right? The problem with the register file is building that stuff. So okay, this is actually not a feature, this is custom. Ignore this, that I'm able to do that, that's not what users get on this server. That is admin stuff. Like literally, only admins can use that. Oh, I'm not admin here. I would never be. And because we're gonna use slime and stuff, I need this stuff. And the size of it gonna be 3 by whatever this is. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is the distance, so we need some slimes. Slimes. Okay, there we go, there we got slimes. So slimes gonna have something called redstone block on the bottom of them or somewhere there. Next thing we need, that is some kind of alright, we have 2 more spaces here, so we need a block there. Let's go concrete, or just make it pink in this time, or purple, whatever this is, magenta. Wait, this is, yeah, that's actually magenta. So yeah, this is kind of, it's the distance we have. So we need something like torches. Torch, there we go. Redstone torch, and we need redstone. So redstone, I said redstone, so redstone gonna be on top. That means the disabled state is actually something like this. Or enabled state. Sue me. The problem with this setup is that I need to be able to put, like, you know, I need to power these here, and to do that I actually need one more space here. So I could go on, just say I take this here and move it one app. I can fix that later by just putting a block here on top, so not on top but below. Point is this actually working now? I still need to power this. Actually I can do that by putting, like, let's say I take this pink one, no, purple, magenta wool, and give me wool. I'm gonna use the magenta wool for that. Magenta wool gonna be, I said magenta wool, where is it? Damn it, why is it hiding from me? What's with that? That's rude. I'm just gonna put it like this, and there we go. So who allowed you to do that? There we go. So actually something like this. But now one can see that I'm an apple. No, it's probably possible to just move this app like one block to get this smaller together, make it more nice and sweet and humbly and stuff, but let's not. The problem we got here is that this redstone block is on the height of here, which caused this to connect, and that's kind of no good. Means I failed. Thing is, what you can do to prevent this, you just put this one over here. There we go. Oh, this also doesn't work because that empowers both of them. Tricky, tricky. So back to this. We go down here and power this, or we don't. Or we power this, or we don't. Power this, or we don't. I'm very sure that... Okay, this is weird. And I cannot put... I hate it. It's so easy if you got 4, like 4 distance here, but that's not the case, and this is like a dual read, so I need kind of this horrible setup here. But actually we can go do the worst part first. There's actually a thing called worst part. It's like literally in it like that. It's called worst part because it's the worst. So there will be something like this, where this disables it. The problem is that we get the same problem as before, like literally, which is kind of annoying. There used to be a super easy way to do this, but I totally forgot it. It's been a while since the last time I built this. So this is basically the same concept as before, just with the issue that like you cannot you have this block here in the way because that's also here, and that's super annoying, and it would be cool to get it somewhere here, but that's not the case. Also cool would be to have these on both sides, like OMG, I'm wasting streaming time, like literally. I have no clue, but I should add something to skip this, or it's just gonna peek over there. Okay, yeah, that seems legit. Okay, that's easy. Let's do this. Yep, let's do this. Okay, that's like not wasting time. Why invent the wheel over and over again? Okay, so I need that spot to be here because this is the one which actually has the enable disable, and this one will be here. Magenta. Quadrat. I hate these blocks because of these patterns. That's actually a disgusting pattern. Everything is disgusting today. There's like nothing which is not. Oh, I failed hard. Anyway, this also doesn't drop, right? Oh, that's the downside of this mode of operation. Yeah, that's it. It's super awesome easy. I would just gonna do the same thing over here because of reasons. Simplicity reasons. But the problem with this is we need to increase the height of this yet another time. Oh, my throat is like dying again. Water. Yeah. Because I'm not a dragon's. Okay, well, I'm just gonna manually move this down. Oh, the bigger, the stronger, the better. Alright. With ALU, I am the master. Like this. So this is huge, this is disgusting, but it's okay. And now we got this classical one down here and one up over here to match the size. Like, it's a pretty common thing to, like, it's not actually common, but in my builds I see this quite often because I've been using this design, which obviously I did not come up with, but I designed this one probably myself, like that one over there. And I got the inspiration from other people which obviously invented this or developed this. There's like a difference in inventing and developing, which is kind of weird. The point is, to get the right height, I think it has to be the maximum. If you don't get the maximum in this, you have the problem that it will bud instead. So the question is, where's that height? Okay, there we go. That is not the height. Let's try this one. That is the height. So this is the maximum height I actually can offer. Let's just hope it's enough, because if it's not, it will horribly bad. And if it buds beyond repair, its purpose is... Are you kidding me? This is probably... Sometimes it just works, it gives nice colors one after another. But this is not nice colors. Are you kidding me? I had that one already. Oops. Okay, I gotta concrete this. There are no nice colors actually. Let's use this one. So to make these bed, we have to like put this here. How much I hate beds. This is just the best register file, best register file in terms of compactness and dual readness. I mean, even this normal memory here is bad memory because it's just super compact and super nice. It's 2x2 per cell, and that is quite impressive for memory in Minecraft. That is. So we need something like this deletion thing. Like, I think it's put like this. No, it's actually... How is it actually inserted here? Don't. Okay, this will do the job, so... Oops. Are you kidding me? I don't want green. I already used green. Okay, so point is we put this here and I'm gonna get a slab. Put over here so that only these blocks actually are doing something. But I believe that is not how it works. What I have to do is I have to put it like here. But the point is, it doesn't really matter because this is like, oh gosh, this is like 2 wide and 3 wide or long, and not 2, so it's no big deal. Like that one there over there is 2x2, so there it's really tricky how you arrange this. In this case, it's not really relevant because I can just put like this. I'm actually done with this, right? So I can just say B go away. So I can just go this. So that works. So I'm gonna put this on, then it sets that bit. So super easy actually, and bomb. There we go. Nice. Then we got it stored. So that's bad memory. Awesome. Yeah. So looking at this, so I gotta put like one of these here for aesthetic reasons, and no, for stacking reasons actually I don't need this one over here. And yeah, so this would be bud memory. Only thing left is actually to stack this now. Okay, we won't. Okay, so I got that one down. I'm just gonna stack like how many registers are needed. I'm gonna have oh gosh. So we need to stack this a bunch of times. I always have a 0 register, and 0 is basically 0 register is basically 1. When you read from it, it always will return 0. That is very practical because we don't have that issue which we have here. Here 0 is actually a pixel, which is a huge problem. But if you have a 0 register and you provide 0 in the instruction set, then you get actually nothing. So there is no value which you can read by accident, which is super helpful. And you always have a 0 if you need a 0. Okay. So yeah. Deal with it. You gotta welcome back on the server if someone comes back. So yeah. Yeah, I selected this still, so I need to decide on how many registers I want in total. So basically I can just go stack and say 4 to get 5 of them. Yeah, that's 5. So, but 5 is like, I mean, I could just go like 7. Neat. But Does it have to be this close? This is like annoying me. Move 10. Go away, go away, go away. Go away, go away. So, okay, there we go. So there's plenty of space now. No. So 7 is actually quite nice because you can waste 3 bits on the register address, which basically means you can go from 0 to 7, and 0 is not there, not a thing, so yeah, you don't need that one actually, so it's just 7 instead of 8, because we were the 0 one. But the problem is that this is quite long, which takes us a bit of time when we actually want to send the data over here or whatever. But we can neatly put 3 bits for addressing actually next to each other in the instruction set if we put it right next to this here. Point is, this is ready to use. So all one has to do is one has to select this and move it like 3 blocks. If I'm right, yeah, like this. Bam, it's connected. There we go. Register file and ALU. Cheap. Yeah. That's basically it. But I wanted to have all of these unsaid. I said unsaid. Why is it not working? Hello? Oh, wait. Oh, right. I see. Okay. I was a newbie again. Let's just power all of these. And do the same thing again. Thing is, it kind of messed it up. These need to be at least attached. Okay, get ready. I still have the correct thing pasted right. What a nice server we are. Point is, if this is expanded, actually these are all activated. Means if I do this, they are set. So there's no need to invert the top. But it's good to know. So, I'm just gonna unsend these again, because now I can. Because these kill me. Okay, I'm busy. So, I'm really confused by this now, because why is it no? Oh wait. Why is this not working? Why? What have I done wrong? Do we need to put this different? Whatever. Okay. So I kind of messed that one up, so that is kind of disgusting. But I did it the same here. So why is it not working? There's like a 2 space padding in between, and there's like nothing special here. Yeah, it's actually just this. I don't get it. Why is it not working? You're being too nice. Stop. Cybernizing. Okay. Damn it, this server's just too nice. But why? Why is there no... Oh, okay, wait. I just put all of these here and... Cybernizing. So, okay, setting works. For whatever reason, setting works. But unsetting doesn't. I'm unsure why. I have no clue why. Why is... Wait, setting doesn't not work. Why is... That's why I hate, but... Like... It's so convenient if it works. If it works. It's not. Like, how is this even happening? Why is it not working? I don't get it. Is it some worded bug or is it... what is it? Like, can I not go here and trigger this one? I can't. What is that? Okay, this is kind of really fascinating right now. I've got no clue why it's not working, and this is kind of annoying because I know why it's not working. Sigh. Okay. Okay, I need that purple block. Where is it? Over there. What are you doing? I'm building display with CPU. There we go. So okay, let's fix this quickly. We're gonna put okay, this is nasty. And then put this and put stack 7, and then I'm gonna take this and do this and this, and actually I just need this row, and I'm gonna do this and gonna do that. You never hear that. Totally did not burp right now. And actually, is this 7? 1, 2, 4. I got 8 now. Damn it! Why do I have 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? Become. I don't want you here. You're not welcomed. You're zero register. Nobody wants to have stuff to write in zero registers. This is inefficient. Let's not. I love it. Not that it matters on this server because like water destroys nothing on here. But it's still annoying to wait until this is gone, and you can just quick select it, because if it were there it says you're stupid, don't try to select the whole floor. Anyway, it's already almost gone. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. And we fixed that other thing, so now it should be possible to actually write to these. There we go. It's working now. Nice. So easy. Once you stop noobing. Really, I cannot recommend to noob this. If you noob this, it's disgusting. So, okay, there we go. That already took us some time again. And I'm recording and recording. Well, that's how Redstone is. Deal with it. As I said, fast forward the video, skip it. If you want to just see this result, that's it. But it's not how it works. Are you what? What's with this? Okay, this is really SBS27. Okay, I'm just gonna fix this manually because of reasons of stacking issues and previous failures. I mean, if there's such a handy tool, I can just use it. It makes things so easy. SBR. There we go. So yeah, that's it. Register file done. We got register file, we got ALU, we got no decoders at all. And this actually has to be poured from the other side apparently, because it didn't. because the CN is on this and all inputs are on this side, so the instruction set is going to be on this side. This is still not done. OMG. So yeah, and that's it. So the next thing which is actually necessary at this point is shift down. I don't know if it's necessary, but who doesn't want to have a quick division by 2 in his CPU, binary wise? At least if you're doing division, it's kind of necessary. Oh, it's cold. I should close the window or get some blanket. Oh, damn it. So this is the point where everything is still simple and everything is awesome, right? You can quickly just build this, and you can quickly just build this. It's super easy and super schema type F. It's just it's like the default CPU of default CPUs, I would say, if there's something like that. A little bit different are vertical CPUs. They have a different default type. So this one is like just the horizontal version of default. Yeah, I need to put decoders in this, like here, here, and here. 3 pieces and 1 here for opcode. If I'm not too lazy for this one, because then I'm just gonna put all this stuff and put it into the instruction set. Oh, damn my throat. I need water. Or bananas. I still have bananas here. I'm gonna eat a bread or something. Recording says I've been recording for over an hour again, but my deadline is midnight. Ain't gonna finish this till midnight. Okay, at this point I just need to put like a shift down unit over here and then connect this up to the top, and that's basically it for the main data loop. And then it's actually just the instruction set and the branching and stuff, like the data ROM, the instruction ROM, and the what is it called? Program counter. The program counter, branch detection, and stuff like that. It's quite basic. I mean, like it's really basic CPU. Why? I mean, like there's honestly no fun to build something like a basic CPU. It's like you just say, oh, I've did it already twice. I'm just gonna do it again. Something like that. This is fun. This is a madman CPU. I mean, look at this. This is just the data path. You got big RAM down here. That's that one, and you got big RegFile here, that's that one, and you got ALU, and you got address adder, that's the one below there, and you got non-existent PC, that's the blank space over there. The problem is that this is kind of horrible to control. Like, got like a huge instruction set with huge repeated instruction type with different layers of instruction. OMG, this is kind of madness, but it's completely 16-bit. Like, the whole data is 16-bit, the instructions are 16-bit, and data and instructions are all stored in RAM. So this is kind of real good, nice CPU once done. And done means the CPU is done at the point where it has a program on it which runs and uses at least the most important features, which is at least branching. So that means this one will only be done as soon as this one can draw a line on that fellow here. If that's not the case, this is not done. Midnight? Anyway, we're gonna make a break here and get some bread.